Dobrodošli u Srbiji, moje braće i sestre i kraljice i kraljevi. Dobro jutro, dobar dan, dobro večer, depending when you're watching it. Wow, they got snipers and everything on the roof. Oh, wow, well, that makes sense. I never thought of that. Like, you gotta have your snipers to protect the actual ceremony. Oh, that's the president of Serbia? Wait, no, wait, hold up. I'm trying to figure out, are we in Russia or are we in Serbia? We look like we in Serbia. We might be in Russia, because there goes Vladimir Putin.
Говорит и показывает Москва.
Говорит Москва. Hey, oh shit. We got the Chinese president over here too. Oh shit. Which makes sense, you know what I'm saying, for a lot of people that don't know, there are Chinese people, you know what I'm saying, in Serbia, you know what I'm saying, Chinese-owned companies, etc., you know what I'm saying. More companies than just average Chinese people just living there, just to be living there, you know what I'm saying. But there was Xi Jinping, I think I said his name right, sitting right next to Vladimir Putin, the Russian president, the Chinese president and the Russian president. And I'm quite sure the Serbian president was not too far. What I see. Oh yeah, they're in Russia. So we got the cavalry right here. Oh, that's India. Serbia, Ciao i zdravo. Oh my God, they got I want to call them swords. What's the name of those weapons? They look like katanas. 1941. That was the end of World War II. So that was the Air Force. And we got the jet fighters. Oh, look at that. 70th anniversary. The Russian colors. Dramatic, hell no. Хорошо. This was Vojna, Parada Moskvi. Okay? В разбите до думи и пристини думи западе прату и ушите совано за обавещения. Namaste to India, you know what I'm saying? I see y'all in this parade, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my Chinese people, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got nothing against Chinese people, you know what I'm saying, at all, you know what I'm saying? We got Xi Jinping representing the Chinese people, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of crazy shit going on in the world, You know what I'm saying? People think we might go into World War III. I don't know what's going on, you know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying, to the Chinese president, you need to chill, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying, who knows what's really going on, you know what I'm saying? Because Russia is on their shit too, you know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, as long as you know what I'm saying, I don't need no favoritism. I just love you guys, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just gonna keep reacting to this content, you know what I'm saying? So really it's for the human, for my people that like this type of content, you know what I'm saying, and want to see something different, you know what I'm saying? Hey, hvala vam, spasiba vam, moje braši i sestry, you know what I'm saying? Do viđenja, do svidanja,